Hey girls and guys, and welcome to a task that might look quite difficult at first sight, but indeed is super easy to solve. We want to move 2 matches in order to create 7 squares. Maybe just stop the video and try to solve it yourself. Take some matches in real life, put them in front of you on the table, and try to solve the problem. You will see, once you got the solution, it is really simple. The biggest problem is, and I'm going to give you this advice, that most people think they have to create 7 squares of this size. But no one told you the size of the squares. So you might create smaller ones by taking 2 matches, for example those 2 up here, and inserting them like a cross into one of the existing squares. What happens then is that you created 4 small squares, and at the same time you still have the surrounding square and the other 2 original squares, which means you have a total of 7 squares, which is exactly what the puzzle wanted us to do. So as you can see, solving those types of puzzles is not that difficult. You just need some experience and training, which you can get, for example, here as well. Try it out, train yourself, enjoy mathematics, and see you soon.